All right, let's do some unit rate practice. You should have grabbed this sheet today in class, and you need to bring it back tomorrow. I'm going to work the first 3 with you, and then I want you to do the last 3 on your own. Okay, so this first one says, what is the unit rate? It's $100.48 for 32 gallons of gas. So I'm going to write my word ratio first. So I'm going to put cost over gallons. Okay, so then my cost was $100.48 over 32 gallons. Okay, remember for unit rate, I'm looking for what 1 is, okay? So I'm going to do top in, bottom out to see what the cost of 1 gallon is, okay, because that's what I'm looking for. Okay, so divide by 32. Make sure you bring your decimal up. 32 goes into 1, 0, into 10, 0, goes into 100. Let's test. It's probably going to be about 3 times. Yep, 96. So 3 times 32 gives me 96. When I subtract, I get 4. Bring down the 4. All right, 32 goes into 44 1 time. 1 times 32 is 32. Yes, I know I'm sneaking in here. I'm sorry. 4 minus 2 is 2, 1. You got to bring down the 8. Okay, I saw it went into 100 about 3 times, so let's go ahead and try 4 for 128. Oh, it goes in evenly. So 4 times 32, I get 128, 0. So the cost for 1 gallon, or the unit rate, is $3.14. Okay? All right, the next one says 120 middle school students evenly filled 5 buses for a field trip. How many students were on each bus? Okay, so we're doing students. Remember, write your word ratio. We're talking about students and buses. So over bus, I know there were 120 in 5 buses. I want to know how many were on 1 bus. So I'm going to do top and bottom out, 120 divided by 5. 5 goes into 1, 0. 5 goes into 12. 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract, I get 2. Bring down the 0. 5 goes into 20. 4 times 5 is 20. 0. So 24 students on 1 bus. Okay? So the unit rate was 24 students. All right? Let's do the last one. I'm going to work with you. What is the unit rate? $11.94 for 6 sodas. So I'm doing cost over sodas. Okay, it was $11.94 for 6. I want to know the cost for 1. So go ahead and drop and divide. Bring up your decimal. 6 goes into 11. 1 time. 1 times 6 is 6. So 11 minus 6 gives me 5. Bring down the 9. Okay, 6 goes into 59. 9 times. 9 times 6 is 54. Bring down the 4. All right, now 6 goes into 54 9 times. See, I keep moving down. I'm sorry. Okay, so the unit rate, or the cost for 1, was $1.99 per 1 soda. Okay? I want you to try the last 3 on your own. Make sure you look to see what 2 things you're talking about. So like this one, Carson built 24 birdhouses in 288 minutes. How long did it take him to build 1 birdhouse? So we're talking about birdhouses and minutes. So I'm going to do minutes on top. Try to do whatever you're looking for on bottom. So it's looking for 1 of. So I want to know how long it took him to build 1 birdhouse. Okay? This one's going to be monkeys and zoos. And then this last one says Kim bought 9 bags of candy and ended up with 1,107 pieces. How many pieces were in each bag? Okay, so you're going to do bags of candy, so the bags versus pieces, okay? All right, good luck.